Hi friends, welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm gonna explain you from where to find the list of Udemy free courses with certificate. After I shared the free course video, many told that the offer is expired. So to benefit you all, now I will tell you how I find the free course list. The app that contains the Udemy free course list it is Course Joiner. This app is available in Google Play Store. Course Joiner. I will leave the link of the app in the description. This is the app from where I take the links of free courses. It contains information for free Udemy courses and it looks like this. It contains categories such as Google, More Courses, EDONIX, Internships, Workshop, Udemy. Select the category and course which you wanted to learn and go through it. For example, to select an course in Udemy, go to Udemy and go through the courses and enroll the courses you wanted. For example, if I am selecting enrolling this course, a new tab will open which contains the information about the courses. Check the duration of the course and when it's going to be free and enroll as early as possible. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. Please do share to your friends, colleagues and students so the people who can't afford for courses also will be benefited by this information. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.